Yes, Prabhat, I am audible. Yes, I am audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Prabhat, first of all, basic introduce yourself, then will be discuss. Basic intro.
Sir, my name is Prabhat Kumar Singh, and I born in a village known as uh, Motha Rampur in Saran district. I did my matriculation from Chopra Central School. After that, I did my B.Tech from the Technological Institute of Textile and Sciences. From that, I got placed in Trident Group of Industries, where I work as a shift manager from 2018 to 19, and currently from past 1.5 years, I'm working as a technical superintendent in Ministry of Textiles, Office of Development Commissioner Handlooms.
Yes, good. यस कुछ पॉइंट है जो मैंने आपको बताए 7-8 पॉइंट उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम बात करेंगे. ये फर्स्ट योर इंट्रो है.
Okay, sir.
इंट्रो फ्रॉम जैसे योर नेम है. वन पॉइंट ही अभी हम
Yes,
डिस्कस कर रहे हैं डिटेल में. जैसे योर नेम इज प्रभात सिंह. यस. व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ योर नेम?
sir. It's the meaning of my name is a pleasant morning, and its metaphorical meaning is positivity, a ray of hope.
यस गुड. एनी एंटोनिम सिनोनिम्स इन योर नेम?
Yes, sir. My Savera can also be treated as synonyms of my name, and sir, I'm a bit of confused between antonyms and synonyms. It's a Paryavachi, the synonyms, and antonyms means vilom shabd, right?
यस राइट.
Sir, so Paryavachi is Savera and the vilom is Nisha.
यस गुड. नेक्स्ट वन योर व्हाट्स योर स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस?
Sir, my strength is I'm a good team player and I love to implement schemes and I also love to work on ground and grassroots level with people. And my weakness is, sir, I'm a bit of emotional when it comes to implementation or when it comes to the vulnerable sections and anybody who is appealing emotional plead to me.
यस गुड. यस फर्स्ट एग्जांपल आपको इंट्रो किस तरह से देना है. तो फर्स्ट बेसिक इज इंट्रो 10th 12th यूजी. यस जैसे आई डिड पास 10th इन 2001 with XYZ
Yes, sir.
percent from XYZ school. Yes,
Okay, sir.
10th 12th UG. After uh, your what's your achievement in your life? Like any academic?
Sir, I scored perfect 100 in class 10th in both mathematics and science. I was selected for prestigious Aditya Birla Group internship, and after that, I was selected for the highest placement selection in my college in Trident Group of Industry. At that time, it was 15 lakhs per annum.
Yes, good. Then after your hobby, what's your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is listening to music on Coke Studio and watching movie on OTT platforms.
Watching movie. Yes, that's one your point number one. Yes,
Yes, sir.
your name, meaning, antonyms, synonyms, what's your strength, weakness, and intro. After your achievement,
Yes,
then
sir.
after your hobby.
Yes, sir.
Point one is complete. Next one, point number two, your native place. Native place, your district is Mathura.
नहीं sir, Saran district, Chhapra district, and Marhora is my police station. And post office is my
Chhapra district means Bihar.
yes, sir, Bihar.
Yes. Whole details regarding your district and states. First is, how do you feel about your district? What a favorite place in your
Sir,
district? Can you describe?
sir,
52.
yes, sir. Sir, I am very first. I feel very lucky to born and brought up in Chhapra district. It's a very significant in the Indian history. The Jayaprakash Narayan movement started from. He was from the Chhapra, and the Bhikhari Thakur, who is also known as the Shakespeare of the Bhojpuri, is from Chhapra. And the best place I love to visit anytime is my village. It have a small river, and I always try to find peace in front of the bank of river, sir.
Yes, good. What's your favorite place in your district?
Sir, the favorite place in my district is actually there is a small temple of goddess Durga. It's called Ami Temple.
ISKCON. Yes, core.
No, sir, not ISKCON. It's Ami Temple. It's a
Army temple. Okay.
Ami, Ami Temple. It's Durga Mata Temple, actually, sir.
Yes. Yes, good. Next, move on your state, Bihar. First question is left. One question is, what the role of your district in Bihar? What the role?
Sir, my district actually situated in the eastern part of the Bihar. It is also situated on the bank of river Gandak and river Ganga, where both rivers meet, and it is advanced in many social indicators like its sex ratio is 110 out of 100 110 women out of 100 men. It's a relatively literate district out of all districts of Bihar, and it has a very small scale of industry. However, the GDP of the district is more because people mostly go outside the country, mostly in the Gulf. Therefore, the remittances are good, and the facility like road and hospital facilities are comparatively better than other districts of the Bihar.
Yes, good. Next is your state is Bihar. How do you feel about your Bihar district? Describe.
Sir, I feel very lucky to born in Bihar. It's a very vibrant and unique place where uh, we can understand the position of people directly since it is a very dense populated area. Bihar holds some places where the population density is the maximum in the world, where it's like 1100 people in per square 1100 people in per square meter. And it also make us understand the vibrant Bihar histories, where we can trace our history from the Buddha's empires, Buddha's religion, the Ashoka's empire, after the Gupta's empire. uh, Apart from the vibrant history, we can also see various alluvial soils and uh, varied track of foods, we can also understand the flora and fauna throughout our Valmiki national reserves. Along with Bihar is very important for various GI tags like Bhagalpuri silks and Bawan Booties silks and a lot of other art forms and industry. Right now, Bihar is lacking behind the industry, but since in our economic survey or budget, the Purvodaya is a key topic where government of India investing a lot in Purvodaya area, and Bihar is a part of that. So I am very hopeful for the Bihar, and I am also very hopeful for the Bihar's potential in human resource development, since it have a very good pool of skilled and cheap labors.
Yes, good. What the role of Bihar district in our country, India?
Sir, Bihar is third third populous. Bihar is third populous state in our country, and Bihar provide a lot of things to the country. As for I know that Bihar provide like for 38 seats in the Lok Sabha, and it also very vibrantly active in the it is also very vibrantly active in the national politics. Along with that, the 10 crores people mostly are of the young demographics, so they can contribute more to the our vision of 2047 of Viksit Bharat. So I think Bihar can contribute a lot in labor intensive industrial development, rural based industrial development. However, Bihar have also potential in mathematics, science, and technology, which can easily translate into our human resource or culinary sector activities type of businesses. So I think so Bihar can be do great in labor intensive. Along with that, it can also do great in cutting edge technology, because Bihar has a unique position where it have a pool of skilled or unskilled labor. Along with that, it has also a pool of very skilled people, engineers and doctors.
Yes, good. Yeah, that's one point number two. Yes. Next day we will discuss basic to high
Okay, sir.
regarding your places. Point
Okay,
number
sir.
third is laboratory section. What is lab? Yes, what is laboratory and what the role
Sir,
of laboratory in your life?
Sir, a lab is a place where we can do research and development work, and it is a confined places where we can try and test or do our new ideas, and if it give us a favorable result, we can start or implement that idea on a mass basis or production basis. The key idea is that the key idea behind that any kind of invention or any kind of results is helpful for the humankind or mankind and not harmful for any humans in the whole life. And with laboratory, I can understand in my life I have to also work on various innovative skills in my life, and if it is helpful for my growth, I can totally standardize it like a standard operating process and implement in my life for the further material. And if I could not find any satisfactory results at the lab level, I will discard that result and don't implement in my life. So it's a basic sampling type of process where in very confined time and very with small resources, I can I can experiment with my way of living.
Yes. Basic, you go through on the laboratory sections. Like the basic point is just like example is qualitative, quantitative, volumetric, gravimetric, instrumental analysis. Have you read? Do you have any idea about this type of point in a laboratory section in your
No, sir, actually,
11,
in
12?
my engineering,
Yes, engineering.
no. In my engineering, we mostly deal with production technology. There is like very seldom exposure with the labs and the technique of the lab quality. However, if you provide me material, I'll go through it, sir. The lab qualitative and quantitative. But I
Yes, yes.
can guess with the name. How can we approach with qualitative things in laboratory and quantitative things with laboratory? But right now, I don't have a concrete idea about this.
Qualitative, quantitative. Do you have any idea? Qualitative, quantitative. What is qualitative, quantitative analysis?
So I think in qualitative analysis, uh, uh, we analyze like mole weight by weight, the quality of a solution, and in quantitative we analyze like weight of solute हो गया.
Yes,
We
quantity.
analyze
Yes,
moles.
yes,
The quantity and
quantity
quality means.
analysis. Yes, yes, right. Yes, gravimetric is like a precipitation. Do you have any idea precipitation? Simple
Yes,
basic.
a precipitation is a form of reaction in which the solute or any reactant either it precipitate on the bottom of beaker or it will
Yes,
down the beaker.
yes, right. Good. Next, 4 number point is volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis like titration. Do you have any idea about titration?
Yes, sir. I have idea of titration is a type of reaction in which one there's a like equilibrium point when one point drop in a solution is suddenly change the color or color of the solution. That is a
Yes,
titration.
yes, yes, right. Some basic point. Indicator. Do you have any idea about indicator? What is indicator?
Yes, sir. Indicator is chemical substances which shows the presence of any type of any specific type of chemical like acid base indicators, litmus paper, example, lichen solutions, turmeric solutions. That is a basic form of indicators.
Yes, good. Next one is instrumental analysis. Do you have any idea what instrumental analysis? What is instrumental?
Yes, sir. Instrumental analysis is a form of analysis in which we understand or we find the result of any specific product, like in moisture regain capacity in cotton, like a micro near fiber lens cream with the help of machines and instrument uh, in laboratory.
Yes, good. Today only basic. Other one, IR spectroscopy, any apparatus you do, HPLC, ion exchange chromatography, gas chromatography. Do you have
Sir,
any idea about NMR?
Sir, I know some idea about spectrography. It's actually spectrography is a type of machine in which we try to understand the basic constituent of the material and which material or molecule basic molecule is that. And this is basically done with the photoelectric effect by jumping of the electron. Um, um, we guess the element name or molecule's name actually. Other than spectrography, I don't know any ideas.
Okay, no problem. Only basic idea. Spectroscopy is the other section related to chemistry subject. Yes. Next, your BS BTech 7 या 8 semester project topic name.
So its topic name is conductive textiles and wearable sensors.
Conductive.
Textiles and wearable sensors.
Yes. What the application of this topic? Application.
So, sir, application of this topic. Sir,
Yes.
actually, uh, there is a concept called biassociation. First, we have to understand about the application. We have to understand the biassociation. If there is a camera and there is a phone, both two are different type of machines which have two different type of application. But some people bisociate these two things, and the since phone is very handy and the camera is bisociated with our phone, so we their potential is uh, exponentially increases. In this way, the textile material is very close to our everyday life. So the researchers have an idea that if we introduce conductivity in the textiles and we use the sensors which is known as a variable sensors in textile, we can also have an immense potential, and use of that kind of apparel is helpful in the health benefits like aesthetic benefits, like in sports benefits and many other benefits. The basic idea is this.
Any drawback limitation of this topic?
Sir, right now, limitation, there is some kind of limitation since textile material basically non-conductors. So we are struggling to find some material which are as agile, as comfortable as textile material, and also along with that it conduct electrons so that our sensors work. So there is a limitation on the material. Right now we are in the search of the right kind of material which can provide this kind of comfort also, and also does not compromise with our work. So right now there are many research going on with graphene right now. So it is a very promising material, but it is not very available on a production scale. It's on a research and development phase only.
Yes, what the beneficial point of your project topic is conductive textile and
Conductive te-
wearable sensors. Is what the beneficial
sir,
point of your topic in our society presently, 2025. Anything?
sir, sir, presently many people are suffering from the stroke, as we always see and hear in news. Since the cloth is only thing which is close to our body organ, so with introducing the conductivity and variable sensor, we can send messages to the medical teams where they can monitor the health of the patient. So either a stroke can be prevented before, or in the time of a stroke, the timely medical assistance can be provided. In secondly, India emphasize on Khelo India. They are very much initiative, and we are also working very hard to climb ladders in Olympic podiums. So textile, with the help of the textiles, we can monitor our athletes' conditions, so that we can also give a valuable input to the athletics so that they can perform better. And there are also various helpful work of the conductive textiles and wearable sensors. With the help of airbags induced in jackets, we can also reduce the accident fatality in the bike rides. Right now we can only see the airbags in car, but we can also work upon the airbags in jackets of the bikers. And third, sir, we can also monitor the health of the people of medical emergency, but they are prone, like they are diabetic or thyroid, they can be prone to any serious kind of illness. So with the monitoring of their data, the doctor can suggest the right kind of doses of medicines or right kind of the diets. So there are, sir, many other than that, there are many other application also, but these are few application of this.
Yes, good. Yeah, that's one your point number third. Yes. Next day we will discuss related to your project, laboratory sections, basic
Okay,
to
sir.
high. Yes, deep section. Next day.
Sir, if possible, kindly provide me some data over the laboratory. I don't have
Yes,
any
sure,
data.
sure,
Matlab,
sure, sure. I will provide material related
oh,
laboratory. Next point number
okay,
four is
okay,
UPSC. What is UPSC? How do you feel
okay.
about UPSC?
Sir, UPSC is a very premier institution. It's a dream of many aspirants, and with the exam of UPSC, we can be on such a position where we have a discretionary power, which we can use in a positive way to change our society at various level and help the people who are really in the need, actually, and create a positive impact on our society.
Yes, good. Presently, who is chairman in UPSC?
Presently, sir, right now, I'm forgetting the name. It's a lady of Karnataka cadre IAS.
Former IAS, yes, Preeti Sudan. Yes,
Sorry, Preeti Sudan, ma'am. She's a Karnataka. She's a Kerala cadre IAS who has a very immensely work in medical field and Ayushman Bharat.
yes. What the difference between chairman and director? Basic difference.
So, as far as I know, sir, actually, I don't have a exact answer on this, but if you allow me, I can guess. Sir, as far as I know, chairman is a head of any committee,
Yes,
who chairman is any head of committee whose power is mostly to who is mostly mediator in the committee and try to extract the committee members' finding, whose vote is work like if there is a deadlock in committee, whose vote is work to end the deadlock. However, director is a head of any mission who give directions to that office so that the work on the ground is implemented properly.
yes, good. Some point is right. Director is open company, and a chairman is elected by the member committee.
Yes.
Next is what the basic difference CEO and MD, Chief Executive Officer
See,
and MD.
so chief executing officer is just like he head the part of execution of any company. Like MD, managing director. Managing director is also can be a board member and also managing the affairs of the company. While the chief executing officer is supervising all the executory action of any kind of company or organization.
Yes, good. Yes, which article is mentioned in Indian Constitution as a UPSC?
Sir, right now I forget that article. 300 something.
Yes, 315
Three,
323. Yes, 3082 323, part 14.
yes, sir. 323, part 14. Yes, sir.
Next one is why you want to join in UPSC as a assistant director and what the role of assistant director in UPSC? Describe.
So right now I'm working as a technical superintendent where I implement the schemes on ground. Where the I want to join as an assistant director because I currently am working under deputy director, and as far as it seems that assistant director have a great good discretionary ability. While right now I'm working on the right now I'm working on the implementation part only, and I have a limited discretionary powers. However, as if I work as an assistant director, I have discretionary power where I can implement the schemes, and I also have a discrete power to give the feedback about the policies which we are working on the ground and which have a deficit on the ground. Uh, and secondary economical remuneration. Currently, I'm working as a Group B level 6 officer, but assistant director is a level 10, so it can also impact my economic ability. However, the assistant director also work in diverse domain. Right now, I can only work with the implementation of the schemes, but assistant director can also work with the implementation of schemes, administrative works like finance things and other work like DDO shifts. But as a technical superintendent, my scope is limited, while as a assistant director, the scope is wide, and so there is a various domain where I can learn more, and my career growth is also increased there. So and that's why I want to join assistant director.
Yes, good. So basic point is right. Yes. Yeah, that's one is point number 4. UPSC and other related to your post. Yes. Next, point number 5 is MSME.
Yes.
Food details related to your MSME. What is MSME?
Sir, MSME is Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, Ministry of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises, and it's mainly work with small SMEs, small scale industry. It mentors the small scale industries so that it can be a flag bearer in many sectors like employment generation, like contribution GDPs, like helping people and improving their lives, and also inclusive development. So MSME have a potential to include those people who lack a formal education, but they have talents of they have a talents of their trade, like handicrafts, handlooms. So MSME can also work in that kind of field.
Yes. Founded in MSME founded in
Well, that I don't know.
yes Act 2006 and 9 by 2007.
Okay, sir.
Yes, who is Minister of MSME and which ministry under of MSME?
Sir, Honorable Shri Jitan Ramaji is the Minister of MSME, and
Yes, who is eligible for MSME?
who's sir? I don't. Sorry, sir. I don't get your question right.
Yes,
Who is eligible?
yes, who is eligible for MSME? Which candidate?
Acha, yes, sir. Sir, any businesses whose turnover is less than 250 crores per annum is eligible for MSMEs.
What the criteria and any step slot?
Yes, sir. MSME divide industry in three criteria: micro, small, and medium. Where, sir, right now I am not able to comprehend the data, but it's like investment of a small amount and turnover of this amount for micro. Similarly, this kind of category in small and also medium enterprises. But the data right now I forget, but I'll read it.
Okay, no problem. Today only basic. Look them. You have to study about each topic. What the MSME 45 new rule? Do you have any idea?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, no problem. Today only basic. Look them whole topic. Yes. That's one point number
Okay, sir.
5. Point number 6 is current affair. Current affair means current affair
Okay.
related to GK,
Mhm.
related to our country. Last 1 year, current issues.
Okay, sir.
Like first one is example is G20, G7,
Yes, sir.
India Pride Moment is Chandrayaan 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aditya L1 and India's one nation, one election. So many topics. What topic? Last 1 year. Yes, we will discuss.
Okay, sir.
And that's one point number 6. And next one is point number 7 is your B.TECH branch textile. We'll discuss. What is textile?
Oh. Sir, textile is generally a two-dimensional product which traditionally used for apparel, but right now it can use in many various things like technical textiles, medical textiles, and also apparel, sir.
Yes, what do you mean by textile? Any 50, 20 or 50 word explain. What do you mean by
Sir, Textile is a product which can be made from man-made sources like nylon, viscose, polyester, etc. Along with that, it can also be made from the natural sources like silk, cotton, jute, etc. This kind of raw material can go undergo through various stages like spinning, where we generally take the material and draw it in a smaller yarn, a thinner yarn, and then spinning can go through various other processes like weaving, knitting, and non-woven, where we can make apparel or clothes regarding it. And with the help of, according to the uses, the apparel are made. Like for sports uses, we which needs stretchability, we go for knitting, and for the general formal clothing, we go for the weaving, and other medical textile item we go for the non-woven. So according to the use, we go for the production or textile according to the use. So basically, textile is a two-dimensional combination of yarns which can be used in a variety ranges.
Yes, good. What are the 5 different type of textile with example?
Sir, 5 different type of textiles are knitted textiles like t-shirts, jerseys. Second is woven textiles like saris and shirts. The third one is like non-woven, like PPE kits, masks. Fourth one is technical textiles, in means defense textiles like parachutes, Kevlars. For a fifth one is like, sir, agro textiles like nets, net and all, fishing nets, and the net for the crops.
Yes. Plant-based textile, animal-based textile, cellulose-based textile, semi-synthetic, synthetic.
Yes, yes, sir. We can also categorize this in this way also. With plant-based textile, we can categorize textile into cotton, jute,
Yes,
flax, linen. With animal-based textile, we can also like milk fibers, silk fibers,
yes,
and synthetic. We can also categorize it like for yeah, polyester, nylon, Kevlars, aramides, etc.
yes, good. Yes, that's one point number 7. इसके बारे में हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. We will discuss the whole your topic. Point number 8, your job experience related question. Yes,
Okay, sir.
job experience. I will see in your resume and your other point, your application form. So I will ask from my side is so many questions related to your job.
Okay, sir.
Yes, no. So that's overall 1 to 8 point related to your interview, mock interview. Yes,
Okay, sir.
yes, no. तो ये हम डिस्कस करेंगे.
Okay,
इनमें
sir.
कितने टाइम लगेगा? हाउ मेनी डेज यू विल बी प्रिपेयर फॉर दी?
सर अभी मैं तो सर कितना भी मेहनत करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. ऑफिस से आके तो मेरे पास पढ़ना ही रहता है बस. और दूसरा है कि सर जल्दी से जल्दी हो जाए तो फिर सर रिवीजन
यस,
पे ध्यान दे.
यस, यस. आप जितने टाइम हो रेडी हो, मैं आपका टाइम मैं स्लॉट बुक कर दूंगा और जो टाइम होगा आपका उसके अकॉर्डिंग
ये
हम.
तो सर जितना सर आपने बोला है वो मैं आज और कल ही में खत्म कर लूंगा, वो हो जाएगा सर.